Here's a pair of the Samsung Galaxy Buds FE earbuds. I'm going to show you how to pair and connect these directly to a Mac, iMac or MacBook via Bluetooth. So the first thing is we're going to go to the Bluetooth settings on your MacBook. So click on the Apple logo, and then we're going to go down to System Settings right there. And then we're just going to go ahead and select Bluetooth right there. And then if we scroll down, now under nearby devices, you see that little spinny thing? It's searching for devices that's in pairing mode near me. So let's grab our earbuds. The buds are in here. Now let me open these up. And if they're not connected to another device, they should automatically go into pairing mode. And we'll know if it shows up here, okay? It's still searching here. It's not finding it. And the reason why it's not showing up here is because I'm connected to a different device. So I'm actually connected to my iPhone here, okay? It's paired to this iPhone. So what I could do to get this in pairing mode is I could go ahead and go to my iPhone here, go to my paired Bluetooth list, and I can either turn off Bluetooth, I can disconnect, or I can forget these buds on here. And if I do any of those three, then these will go into pairing mode. And then it'll end up showing up down here. Now, another way to do it without going to the other device that I'm connected to is this, okay? I can put this automatically in pairing mode just like this. Let me close the lid first. I'm gonna wait for the light here to turn off. It's off. Now I'm gonna open it. And now I'm gonna go ahead and hold both of the touch sensors up here on top. Ready, set, go. And just hold both of them and wait for that green light to start flashing red, green, just like that. Let go. Now this is in pairing mode, okay? So now we're gonna go back over here. That little thing is still spinning there. Let's see, oh, and what do you know? It found it. Galaxy Buds FE, so we're gonna go ahead and tap on connect right there. And then it shows up right there, and I'm at 100% battery juice on these buds. And I'm connected and ready to go. Now, if you had any kind of issue pairing or connecting, then you can always factory reset these as well. If you want to do that, look in the link below in the description area.